Okay, so I searched YouTube and I couldn't find a way to best um, patch a leak in a roof. So, pardon the dog, he's been barking all day. It's not mine, it's one of the tenants. Sometimes you gotta deal with it. So, basically, what was going on here is here, I'll flip this around. Can I flip this around? I guess I can't flip it around. Okay. So, here and over there. Here and over there, there was a crack in the seam from the roof metal to this flashing on the edge of the home, and it was leaking in through that crack. So what I do to fix it, this is the first time I've ever done it, so we'll see how it holds up, is I got this, I think it's 50 feet, $10 flashing. On one side it's kind of like tar, and on one side it's metal, kind of like tinfoil, and it's pretty durable, and I think it adheres really well because of the tar, and so I'm putting this on, and then I'm going to put silicone on. The first step was I blew all of the stuff kind of away from the edge here with my blower, and then I used this kind of grinder bit, and I got all the dirt off of the roof. So it was about this tape. This tape is about, I think, 4 inches. 4 inches. So I did like 3 inches here, and then 1 inch down the side, so that when I stuck it on, it would stick, and it wouldn't get caught in all the dirt. So I kind of just ground it off like that, and then did it on the other side like that. And I made sure that the spinning of the blade was kind of away from me, because you don't want to flick it back at you like that. So so then I cleaned it off, and now I'm adhering the tape. So I'm just rolling it out, making sure 1 inch is overhung. About 1 inch, doesn't really matter, just as long as it goes over the edge. And I'm just pushing it down. It's a little hard with one hand, but just push it down in the middle, and you push down on the inside, and then you work your way out, or else you're going to have lots of bubbles, and you want this edge to be as totally tacked down as can be. So you go from the inside and work your way out, because you don't want any water to get in to this seam. This is the seam right here that where the roof metal and this corner flashing meet. So then you push it down. Get all the air bubbles out. And you just kind of keep going. Pull some more. Make sure it overhangs about that much. Kind of tack it down on the middle and work your way out. And it's good to go around the screws like that first and then go out. And you want to apply some pretty good pressure because you want it to stick as much as possible. Then after that, after we're done sticking that on, then I'll probably put silicone over the top of it. I use the Henry's 100% silicone roof paint, and I think it seems to work fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. Share it with a friend. Share it with your mom. Maybe she wants to see it.